Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Indiegogo to your bank account step by step clearly. To withdraw funds from your Indiegogo campaign to your bank account, start by logging into your Indiegogo account. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Dashboard. In the dashboard, locate your active campaign and click on it. Look for the Funds section on the left sidebar. Within the Funds section, click on Withdraw. You will see an overview of your funds available for withdrawal. Next, read through any necessary information or guidelines Indiegogo provides regarding withdrawals. When ready, click on the Withdraw Funds button. Indiegogo will prompt you to select your bank account for the withdrawal. If you haven't added a bank account yet, click on Add Bank Account. Fill out the required information, including your account number and routing number. Double-check all details for accuracy to avoid any issues with the transfer. Once you've added your bank details, return to the withdrawal page. Select your bank account from the list. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. After entering the amount, click Confirm Withdrawal. Indiegogo will process your request, which may take a few business days. You will receive a confirmation email once your withdrawal is successfully completed. Keep an eye on your bank account for the funds to be deposited. If you experience any issues, consult Indiegogo's help section or customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.